Hello friends, welcome to ICT based teaching and learning process. In this video, we will learn how to create certificates using Google Forms. For this, we have to first log into our Gmail account. I have already opened my Gmail account. Then we will go to Google Drive. Then we have to create a Google form or Google quiz for which we need to generate a certificate. As we have already discussed how to create Google forms and how to create Google quizzes in our previous video, so we will use any of our previously created Google forms. Suppose I choose this computer algebra. For this we have already created Google form. Suppose we choose this computational mathematics labs second. This Google form is created by me for my BSc Honors 6 students for taking their lab test. For creating certificate, we have to click here and click on add-ons. By clicking add-ons, this window will appear and we will search here Certify EM. By using Certify EM, we can generate auto certificates. We have to download this because I have already installed in my PC, so it is showing installed here. I have crossed it. Then I to click on this icon add-ons. Here this is showing Certify EM. Now I click on this. Getting showing some mistake. I once again reload this. Click on Certify EM. Now it is showing all the controls. I click on Certify EM controls. First of all, we see status. As we are seeing, certification is off. First we turn on this. Now certification is on. Here are certificate records. This record is automatically saved in our Google Drive. Now this is passing percentage. It is depend on our choice what percentage we want to set. We can set between 0 to 100%. So now suppose we set here 0. We can choose, it's by our own choice. It may be 40, 50, 80 or maybe 100. Now we have to choose template of our certificate. We can choose any one template or we can make our own certificate. So we want to make our own certificate. For this we have to open Google Slides. Open Google Slides. Now click on Google, go to Google Slides. Here we can see that I have created many certificates already, but because we are using it first time, so I click on blank certificate. I delete these, click to add title. Also delete this. Now we can draw anything of our own interest. I have already write some material regarding certificate on some PPT. Suppose this is the matter, Roorkee College of Polytechnic Arts certificate of participation. It is a sample I have generally created. I select all this matter, copy it and paste it in Google Slides. We can set its all the system. We can choose any layout for the certificate. Suppose I choose this, I can choose this. Suppose I set this. Now this is a sample certificate. This matter will be same for each and every participant, but name will be different of all the participants. Now we have to learn how can we add name here. Suppose this is to certify that, then the name of the participant will appear here, and from institution name will be appear here. Then for this we have to use to function. We should go at insert and take a text box. We draw it here, put double square bracket and write full name, close the brackets. We made it some in larger system because some names are very big. I set it as center. We can change its font also. I chooses Times New Roman. We can larger it, bold. We can change also its color. This is a function. When the participants will appear in the quiz or fill the form, his or her name will appear here in place of full name. Now I have to add the institution name also. I again chooses one text box, draw it here. Again I take double square bracket and write other identifier. I align it to the center. Make it bold. Now I save it by FDP1. This will be automatically saved in our Google Drive. When we want to choose any, this will appear for us. Now I again return it and go to template. I choose custom template. Then this window will appear. We select a new file, and this is the certificate we have just created, and these are the previously created. I click on this FDP1. It must be changed here, golden to FDP1. So I made save changes. You can see it, FDP1. Now I click on email me sample. Then a sample copy will be on my email. Preparing a sample certificate. When it will be prepared, it will show a sample certificate has been emailed to you. Now I check my email. New email. I check what is in this. We can change this. Lisa Simpson is the by default name. It will be always appear in sample certificates, and this is the Lisa Simpson school. It will also appear in sample school. When we will fill it, we got our name and our institution name here. So friends, we can create our own certificates by using Google Form. It is very easy and very useful for us. It has one limitation. We can download only 100 certificates using free version of this app. If we want to download more, then we have to pay for this, and then we can download 1500 certificates in a single day. I hope you like the video. Thank you very much.